Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making the perfect stuffing for your Christmas dinner. It's the dish that will impress your guests and bring the holiday spirit to the table. Let's start with the basics. You'll need some sturdy bread, butter, onions, celery, garlic, fresh herbs like sage and thyme, and a bit of chicken or vegetable broth. Begin by sautéing your onions, celery, and garlic in melted butter. This brings out all those savory flavors that make your stuffing irresistible. While that's cooking, tear or cut your bread into cubes. You want them to be a little dry for that perfect texture. Add your sautéed veggies, fresh herbs, and pour in some broth to moisten the bread, making sure everything is evenly coated. Transfer the stuffing into a greased baking dish. For that golden crispy top, pop it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And here it is, a golden crispy stuffing that's perfect for your Christmas dinner. Serve it up alongside your turkey or ham and enjoy the flavors of the season. Happy holidays from our kitchen to yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holiday recipes. See you next time.